Samsung is about to shake up the foldable phone market once again, and this time it's bigger, bolder, and thinner than ever before. Yes, we're talking about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is expected to launch globally in less than 2 months. With major upgrades in design, display, performance, and cameras, this might just be the most refined foldable Samsung has ever created. So what makes the Z Fold 7 so special? Let's break it all down. Straight ruler, ultra slim design, and refined displays. Let's start with the design. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be the world's slimmest foldable yet, just 3.9 mm thick when unfolded. That's incredibly sleek, even for Samsung. The design appears inspired by the Fold 6 Special Edition, but more refined. What's even better is the updated hinge, rumored to reduce the crease on the main display, finally fixing one of the biggest complaints users have had. Display-wise, you're getting a 6.5-inch AMOLED cover display and a large 8.0-inch AMOLED inner display. Both are expected to support a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering fluid performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just scrolling. Gear, performance, software, and battery. Under the hood, the Fold 7 is expected to pack the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor, which brings faster performance, better AI processing, and enhanced power efficiency. Backed by 12 GB of RAM and up to a massive 1 TB of storage, this foldable is made for power users. Out of the box, it's likely to run on One UI 8 based on Android 16, bringing the latest Samsung software innovations to the foldable experience. As for the battery, it's expected to stay at 4,400 mAh, but still supports 25W fast wired charging. It may not be a battery beast, but it's built for consistent day-long usage. Camera with flash, pro-level camera upgrades. The camera setup is where Samsung is really stepping up its game. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 could feature a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. That's flagship-level photography packed into a foldable. And for selfies and video calls? Expect dual front cameras, a 10MP sensor on the cover screen, and a 4MP under-display camera on the main screen for an uninterrupted viewing experience. Tear-off calendar, launch date, and pricing. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 at its Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2025. And the best part? Pricing is rumored to stay similar to last year's model, meaning no major hikes despite all these premium upgrades. That's great news for anyone considering an upgrade or entering the foldable world for the first time. From its ultra-slim frame to its next-gen camera, powerful chip, and refined software, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most impressive smartphones of the year, foldable or not. Are you excited for this next-gen foldable? Or do you think Samsung needs to do more to stand out? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love cutting-edge tech, hit that like button, subscribe to Touch Trove, and ring the bell, because we've got more leaks, reviews, and comparisons coming your way.